Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the top stories. Additional Session Court rejected Mickey Pacheco's bail. Mickey still in police custody. Mickey might approach High Court for bail. Caste politics props up its head again in modern Goa. Bhandari Samaj comes out in full support to their leader Ravi Naik, threatens government with dire consequences if Ravi is sacked. NSUS starts signature campaign against drug nexus in the state. Crime branch summons Sunil Kulkarkar. AIDS Control Society to send report of suicide in GMC to National AIDS Control Organization. Sources say doctor informed the lady about her illness without proper counseling. And coach Mariano Diaz expresses confidence about Goa doing well at Santosh Trophy again. Mariano says Goa's squad is better than last year's bunch. And now the news in detail. Mickey Pacheco's bail application is rejected by the Additional Sessions Court in Madgaon. Bail has been rejected on the basic ground that there are no substantial changes in the circumstances. Mickey will remain in the police custody for now. Mickey might approach High Court for bail.
Mickey Pacheco's bail plea hearing was held on Monday. The order was postponed for Tuesday. Additional Sessions Court at Madgaon on Tuesday pronounced the order and rejected Mickey's bail plea. The matter was in the court of Judge B.V. Deshpande. Investigating officer in Nadia death case, Sunita Sawant, said that they are investigating the case from all possible angles.
Sessions Judge South Goa Margaon, Justice Deshpande, has rejected the bail application of Mr. Pacheco. Today now in the open court, the order has been pronounced. Investigation is in progress. Investigation in all lines are, in all angles of progress.
Are you open for charging him for murder?
Investigations are in progress in all angles.
Advocate Amit Palekar, counsel of Mickey Pacheco, told us why the bail was rejected.
See, the basic ground on which the bail application has been rejected is the Honorable District Judge has come to a finding that this is a successive bail application and there is no substantial change in circumstances because the District Judge has considered that the first bail application which was filed at the time of surrender and from the time till the filing of this bail application there has been no much change in circumstances and hence this application for bail has not been considered on merits and appears rejected it for that reasons.
Mickey is now planning to move to the High Court seeking bail.
What is your next move?
The only option that could be left by us is going to High Court and we'll decide on that very soon.
A reporter from Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
Caste politics has cropped up its head again in the modern society of Goa. Bhandari Samaj has come out in full support of their leader and Home Minister Ravi Naik. With speculations of Ravi being stripped of the home portfolio, the Samaj has threatened government with dire consequences. Finally, Roy Naik episode is getting a casteist colour.
The vote bank politics is back to haunt Congress. Member of Kunai Bhandari Samaj Umesh Naik criticized opposition leader Manohar Parrikar for demanding Home Minister's resignation. Samaj feels that Parrikar is trying all stunts to destroy Bhandari Samaj. Members also reminded Parrikar that Samaj has played a major role in fulfilling his political achievements.
पर्रीकर बाकी पार्टीच्या आमी तुमी सांगली आमकां ना बाकी उच्च लोक खूब आसा पूण सगळे आमी घेयना वो डायरेक्टली ताका खंय तरी आमकां आमचो एक समाजान ताका तो वयर चडलेलो ताका नाका तो आमचे लोकां भितर झगडीं लावपाक खूब करता तो विचार करिना आज आपण जगता तो बहुजन समाजाचे जगता हो केन्ना विचार करिना.
Earlier on Saturday, Bicholi Bhandari Samaj has criticized Upendra Gaonkar for making allegations against Home Minister Ravi Naik. They said Gaonkar's act has hurt them as he is also from the same Samaj. They have demanded resignation of Upendra Gaonkar from the post of General Secretary of State Committee of Bhandari Samaj.
समाजातल्याच मनशान भंडारी समाजाच्या नेत्याचेर अशे आरोप करप हेजे आमकां दुख्ख जाल्लेलें आसा आनी आमी ह्या गांवकऱ्याचो निशेध करतात आनी आमी केंद्रीय समितीक अशी विनंती करता की महासचिव पदा वयल्यान तांकां त्वरीत काडून उडोवचें.
A reporter from Funda, Vivek Prabhu, and from Bicholi, Uday Parab.
NSUI has started a signature campaign against the drug nexus. National Student Union of India had earlier demanded CBI or NIA probe into the case. In this regard, Union will submit the signature drive result to the Congress High Command, Union Home Ministry, Rahul Gandhi and Chief Minister Digambar Kamath. Meanwhile, Crime Branch has summoned Sunil Kaudankar.
National Students Union of India, the students' wing of the Congress party, has started a signature drive against the drug nexus. They have come out strongly on the roads, appealing people to support the cause to make Goa drugs free.
आमचो मेन डिमांड आसा तो गव्हर्मेंटान इमिजिएटली जी ड्रग माफिया पुलीस नेक्सस केस आसा ती CBI किंवा NIA, that is National Investigation Agency, नाजाल्यार CBI हँडओव्हर करचे म्हणून.
They have severely criticized the police department for not taking the case seriously.
गोंयान जे ड्रग्स माफिया इतले स्ट्रॉंग जाल्या आनी ते ड्रग्स माफिया बरोबर गोंयचे पुलिसूय इन्वॉल्व जाल्या. अशें आमकां सामकें वायट दिसता की गोंयचे क्रायम ब्रांच जे ड्रग्स केस इन्वेस्टिगेट करताली ताणें ती केसीची वाट लावन उडयली. ती पर्पजफुली तांच्यांनी ती केसीची वाट लायली म्हणूनच ते कोण ड्रग्सान इन्वॉल्व आसले ते प्लस ते पुलीस ऑफिसर्स कोण इन्वॉल्व आसले पळय तांकां इजिली बेल मेळ्ळी. सो आतां ते लिमीट क्रॉस जाल्या. सो NSUI आमी त्या दिसा सांगलेले जशें NSUI वील डिक्लेअर अ वॉर अगेन्स्ट ड्रग माफिया इन गोवा, त्या प्रमाणे आमचे NSUIचे भुरगे गोंयभर सगळ्याक सिग्नेचर कॅम्पेन करता.
Sunil Kaudankar is summoned by the crime branch in the drug nexus case. Sunil feels that crime branch is trying to suppress their signature campaign. Our reporter in Panji, Devidas Kamli, with video journalist Sushant Pad.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.